Hello students, welcome. Here we are going to see inverse circular functions and their integration. So basically two inverse circular functions we are going to see right now. One is sine inverse, another is cos inverse. So if we see sine inverse x upon a when differentiated with respect to x give you a value 1 by root over a square minus x square plus constant of integration. This we all know in differentiation. Which means if we say integral of 1 upon root over a square minus x square, then that would be sine inverse x upon a plus constant of integration, right? Now if I take derivative of cos inverse x upon a with respect to x, what do we get? We get 1 by root over a square minus x square with a negative sign plus constant of integration, which means we can write that integral of root over a square minus x square, this term integral of root over a square minus x square dx is equal to negative of cos inverse x upon a. This is what we will write. This was a differentiation. So this is what we will write here. Integral of 1 upon root over a square minus x square is minus of cos inverse x by a. So there is a confusion now. What is the confusion here? That integral of 1 by a square minus x square under root is minus cos inverse x by a or plus sine inverse x by a. So we have to understand it very clearly. What we have seen here, that integral of this is minus cos inverse x by a plus constant of integration as well as plus sine inverse x by a plus constant of integration. So which we have to take? Actually both are correct, but we know integral of a function is unique. So type of function, another is constant. So these two are different, but remember that cos inverse theta plus sine inverse theta is equal to pi by 2, which means we can write cos inverse theta is equal to pi by 2 minus sine inverse theta, right? This is a formula for cos inverse plus sine inverse, which is an identity. Now if we write this minus cos inverse x by a from here, then can we say that this will become is equal to cos inverse theta is pi by 2 minus sine inverse theta, which means minus cos inverse x by a will be minus pi by 2 plus sine inverse x by a and then plus constant of integration. And here we got sine inverse x by a plus constant of integration. So eventually we get the same unique function because another values which are added to this function are all constants. Here it is a constant. So this constant minus pi by 2 is some other constant, this constant is some other constant, but the variable x that is giving the function same. So this and this is actually unique. Thank you students.